Hey there, this is K4A, and in this video today we are going to change the background in our game level, in our game scene. So previously we have learned how to do that in our menu, on our menu level. So that was explained in this video how to change background. I will add in description menu background. This today will be very similar, so you don't have to watch it if you understood this, and this video is again too long, but we were probably getting into lots of details and explanation. So if you understood this process and remembered it, or just understood the logic behind it, you should be able to do this on your own, which we are going to do now. But again, this is also very important step in terms of game design, because you will need to do this sooner or later. You will need to change the background, the floor on which your game resides. So that's a must. You won't go with this look here, like ground, which we will see this in a second, but depending on what you develop, you will have to put some custom graphics in it. So this is not described in this documentation information text, so no help from that. But again, if you remember how we changed this background from the art which we had here in environment folder backgrounds, same goes with levels. So what we want to do here today is sorry, I need to find the room. So we want to change the background for this scene here, for this level here, which is called level 1, room level 1. So again, in my case, I will just put some blank background for the sake of this tutorial to be faster, and you put whatever you want. Maybe you're making some kind of monsters in fantasy realm, so you need some kind of fantasy realm background, or maybe sci-fi, science fiction, or whatever, Wild West. It depends on what you develop. And again, on my left in my inspector folder here, I have lots of layers in my layers menu, and they are complex. They control different things. What I need and what I want to change today is background, so I try to find the background layer, and there it is, first from the bottom or last from the top, and you click on this icon of the eye and we hide it. So we can try to do that first, so we learn that. I have only hide my background image now, so when the game starts it looks like something between, because that's all. This is also very interesting. Hiding the background actually showed me that behind my room level 1 is menu. So that's not what I want to see. I see my logo, Towers vs Monsters, start button, and some assets here. So it's really confusing, but okay, we can go in details about it later. This isn't working. It's only getting messy. So I want to change this green floor into something else. To find it, I will click on my backgrounds layer, and here it is below. It says background layer, open editor, and it uses this image, SPR background level. So I can click on it to change it. Okay, I don't have anything yet, so I will just click somewhere else and go back to my workspace. So workspace, assets, environment, backgrounds. So this is what I'm using, SPR background level. So this is the image which is my background. I can go edit image to add some kind of details, maybe draw, I don't know what, rocks, whatever, cracks, holes, but I'm not going to do this. I'm going to right click on it, duplicate. Yeah, we can make it sprite. I will rename it to SPR bg for background, and I will call it C. Let's go with C or something blue. So because we have duplicated, it looks the same. I can now go into edit image, draw some details, or maybe not. I will try to paint it. First go zoom out a little bit, click on this fill tool, pick some. So this is not going very well because maybe it's cool, yeah. It looks like some kind of C. Because we're just clicking on some already made graphics, but we can also delete this. We need a bigger, and we need even bigger, but yeah, this would be very slow. It's maybe better just to select it, zoom out, select all, and just press delete, and that's it. Now we have the blank canvas. Now I can go with fill tool, and that's it. I like this looks. Close it, and now I have to go to my room level 1, select backgrounds layer, select SPR background level, which is existing image, and find the new one, but I want to resize it first to see it better. Okay, environment, backgrounds, SPR BGC, and that's it. That's how you do it. 8 minutes. Love this look. Okay, so now it looks like it's C, and those placeholders could be some kind of islands. Yeah, that's a nice idea. So yeah, I really love this. So what do I need to do next is to delete these, maybe these trees and stuff like that. We'll do that in next video. For now, again, this is the part of the game change which you want to do sooner or later. You will have to do it. Change the background in your levels if you're using someone else's template. Otherwise, all the games will be looking the same if we're using the same template and are not changing the graphics, and we do not want to do that. We want unique games, we want original games. So so yeah, make some custom art. You can also check the tutorials I'm making on Sketchbook, Autodesk Sketchbook, which is free graphic art software, and you can draw backgrounds in it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye for now.